Na. May breakfast na? Ah. Iba naman ngayon. What's this?
Kita tausok may entrance fee po
Lunch, guys. So you can see, kailangan namin mag-full lunch for the, anong tawag doon? Carbo loading. Since we're going to climb Kota Kinabalu. Mababaliw na kami dito. Let's eat this. I want to eat this. Wow. See? This is their food. They have mushroom. They have vegetable. Ooh, wow. Sarap, guys. Yummy. Vegetable. Chop suey man is atin, no? Chop suey. Chop suey, guys. This is the chop suey. Ah! This is our view, guys, here in Kota Kinabalu. So as you can see, sobrang ganda ng view dito sa labas. Parang kang nasa paradise. Ooh, paradise. Really amazing. Sabi yung fog dito, guys. It's fogging. We're here in Kinabalu Park. Nearest in Kinabalu Park. Sobrang fog.
roasted chicken. Sarap yung noodles nila.
Sige.
Cup noodles.
Cup. Sige.
Tapos soup.
Go. Take dinner, guys. So this is the chicken here in Malaysia. Langis. Super lambot niya.
Sobrang sa pero lasa.
And this is the tea. And we have cup noodles. We don't have this one in the Philippines. It's chicken. This is fried chicken. Ay, grabe. Parang kami nasa ghost town. Ang lamig. This is our homestay lodge for tonight. So, this is just, 100 ringgit. Our hotel. Yan, 100 ringgit lang. Room B104. So we're preparing, guys. This is our gamit for tomorrow. We have gloves, we have bonnet, may mga jacket na rin kami para light pack lang going there. And then the rest of our things iiwan na lang natin sa baba ng Kinabalu Park. So ayun, guys, thank you Lord at makakaakit kami kahit na sobrang stress tong travel na to and tong climb na to. I will tell you everything when I get home. But for now, ang masasabi ko lang na scam kami talaga. Sobrang mahal ng climb na to para sa amin. 2 times kami nagbayad. Stress. Thank you Lord. Bye-bye. Wow! Nice! Wow! Nice! Good morning, Kinabalu! Dito ka lang, 'di ba? Thank you, Lord, sa sunrise. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. We're going to Mount Kinabalu. Good morning. Oh, this is... But unlike... They have condensed milk.
Dilak na mo to?
Oo. Dugayang mo tulo eh. Tug na. Here, this is the Milo. Ano to, B?
Dito so. Beans pala.
That's it, guys. This is our food. Carbo load yan, sir. Carbo load kami.
Okay guys, we are here at Kinabalu Park, yeah? So you have a
Briefing.
if you need yes. So guys, this is your big lunch, yeah? You should eat food in your food.
Okay, thank
Don't
you.
carry like that because make you
Yeah.
Butang na sa'yo mo.
Take picture to our vlog, Char. One.
they doing like this too.
That's correct.
Yeah.
To all the mountaineers that he been with, right? Even my friends recommended him, but right now I think, guys.
Yeah.
So can I go home? Can I go home now? I already have my badge. Yeah, it's Mount Kinabalu, guys. This is the permit.
So it's gonna get chilly pretty quick. This is your big lunch. Oh, thank you.
So if you're ready, please pack.
This is our shuttle going up.
Sometimes they climb you.
Hi.
Sometimes they bite your fingers.
Yeah. Let's go.
On the...
Let's do this.
Mind your head.
Our guide.
Okay, pwede gaya Korea.
Na, Korea mo na. Sa
Pulong
pulong
na?
Sa pulong area. Pulong pat
Isang
mga
pinsan ka ba din, no?
pulong pat tugya ko sa banda pa di mo man sa dinga tempohan.
Tempohan.
Hindi mo man sa dinga.
Tempohan.
Makailangan di. Pero dato lang niya.
Morning. A lot. Is this the checkpoint? And then we need to fill out. Can Oh, I see. That's my name. Koji?
Dapat mali ang spelling sa Jogo.
Joan. Why? You don't have E. Sige, hi. In here. There you are, guys. Guys. There. KM. Are we the last group, right?
No.
Not yet. Oh. Oh. It's cold, but I'm sweating. Hi. Hi, sister. Thank you. Hi.